Hi, I welcome you all back to another session about representing that engineering drawing. Today we are going to discuss about the continuation of the previous video, the projection of points in and the next set. So, as two videos we have discussed about the first quadrant and second quadrant. Now we are moving towards another set of things, and this is the solid software which we have already discussed about the different sets, right? How the projection has been carried out. And now I'm moving towards the projection of points of second one, the point B, 25 mm and below 20 mm HP. As the quadrant represents the 25 mm below HP is below the x-axis and 20 mm behind VP is behind the y-axis. So as I said the area right so for that I have to draw these things. As similarly, we have to represent how it has been. So as I said, it is represented the third quadrant. So from this point, the projection of point is carried out on particular one from this axis, right? So this point is projected like this. So when we look from this view, that is represented as a top view. When we look, the distance between this point and y-axis will be represented in x-axis. When we look from this view as a front view, the point and the distance between this point and x-axis will be represented in vertical plane. That is how we have to draw, as like similar previous videos right now. So this time I like to the x-axis will be rotated in clockwise direction to upwards towards 90 degrees. So means the projection of top view will be represented in vertical plane, and the projection of front view will be represented in the top view is represented in horizontal plane, the front view is represented in vertical plane. So as per rotation. So now we are moving towards the projection of points to represent in 2D dimensions. So in the question itself, they have mentioned like keeping the distance and equal to 25 mm, right? So before that, we have to make the edge of this to 25 mm. So in horizontal plane. So the distance will be keeping us 25 mm. From this, we have to draw the point. As I said, like the 25 mm below HP will be represented in vertical plane, and 20 mm behind VP will be represented in horizontal plane. So as per rotation, the 20 mm will be represented in the upward direction. So I have drawn 20 mm. Similarly, the line has to be drawn from here. This is 25 mm. So we have to draw here like here. So these two lines are imaginary lines. So I have to, as I said earlier, you have to change the dimensions length and also the color to some which color we have. Again, I thought to like that we have to point out the projection of points. So I just click these 2 points and I have to change the size of this because we have to understand the differentiation between the points and also the colors into red color. So there is in this red color shows the representation of particular points. Again, I have to mark when, as I said earlier, when we rotating the HB plane, this is positive and the VP plane is negative. So this will be your B and this will be your B dash. For dimensions, we have to click the smart dimension process. When you click that, it will be shows representative. So I just moved to this side, and similarly in the smart dimension, when we remove into this side, it shows representative. And the distance between this thing will you can represent that this is the 25 mm, the distance between the two projection of points. In the next point C, the point C is 20 mm below HP and 30 mm in front of VP. This represents the fourth quadrant, right? So it represents the fourth quadrant. When you look this is the fourth quadrant like. So this is 20 mm below HP and 20 mm in front of VP, right? This is how the point will be. Here, the rotation of points of x-axis is 90 degree in clockwise direction. This represents the merging of 2 points, right? So we have to draw the lines. First one is 20 mm below HP, right? So from this, so I am just drawn the 20 mm below HP, right? This is 20 mm. So I just mark the point with the size of 2. So just I click this one, the point has been marked. Then again, the another one line has to be drawn. When you see the dimension, you will be able to understand that this is 20 mm, right? the point should be in different colors. So I just clicked it. Similarly, the point I have drawn from is 20 mm. The size will be 0.13, and you can use the row similar color for, and small dimension for this is 20 mm. Then the another line is drawn because of the rotation of x-axis. X-axis, as I said, it is 30 mm in front of VB. So I have to draw the length of 30 mm and along this line. So this will be represented in rose color along with the low dimensions, right? So the projection of point will be drawn here like this one. So this dimension is when you take in this dimension will be taken as 30 mm. So the difference is right. So the projection will be, this will be your C and this will be your C dash. So this is how the projection of points has been. The remaining two problems I have given as your practice problems. You can able to understand what is the difference, how it has to be drawn in the future. So hope everybody is understood what is the projection, the different type of projection of points in different type of quadrants. The remaining two problems is for workout problems. If you need it, I can able to post that video also. Hope everybody is understood. Thanks for watching this video, and we will catch up in the next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you. This is signing up by Sambasum, Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology.